Madison.
Yeah, this has been in place for the last few hours. I'm standing literally on the Applegate exit. In the distance there, you see those trucks lined up and those police lights. That is as far as cars can go. They're asked to turn around at this very exit. There's already feet of snow that have fallen here in this area today. And further up the hill, I talked to a homeowner who says she's planned to hunker down for at least a few days.
We are hunkered down, and we think we might be here for a couple of weeks.
The view from Kathy Lipp's home in Omo Ranch shows just how much snow has already fallen. It's also clear why she plans to stay put for at least 2 weeks.
We have a couple of feet on the ground, and it's snow. It's starting to get to be heavier snow, and I know they're expecting more.
She sent us videos to show what it's like, hunkered down in blizzard conditions. She's prepared.
We've got quite the pantry here, but also like we prep meals in advance. We also keep chickens, so we keep a lot of food on.
Hunkering down at home, a safer option than being out on the roads. Take this video from South Lake Tahoe towing. Vehicle spinouts caused by icy roads and whiteout conditions. One local told us on her way out of town to escape the blizzard, it was a total mess.
I was coming down to get out of the storm out of Dutch Flat, and my car blew up. My engine blew.
To avoid the mess, Lips snuggled up at home by the fire with her pup, staying put.
It is beautiful. This is the most beautiful place to live in California, I'm convinced.
It really is beautiful. I mean, even standing at an exit when you've got snow on the ground and in the trees and snow falling, you just have to sort of take it all in. But of course, drivers asked to do that from home. I have noticed here in the last couple of hours, traffic has slowed and there's not that long line on I-80. So it's a little more clear that people are getting the memo. You're not getting through, at least not right now here at Applegate.
Your glove game and hat game and winter coat game is strong by this time, Madison, because you've done it enough, right?
She's got the gear.
Absolutely.
Perfect.
Yeah,
All
I got
right.
the gear. CBS swag all the way.
Nice. All right, be safe driving back down. Appreciate your work out there. Highway 50 not looking a whole lot better than 80. Whoa, what can you see? Not much. We've seen off and on closures throughout the afternoon because of spinouts and avalanche control right now. They're holding traffic near Pollock Pines to Myers.